Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings in an Epson Stylus SX405. Now this will be a quick video and I'm doing it with the machine in English just so you can guide yourself through if you happen to have your machine set in a different language. So, first of all we're going to need to go into setup, which we do by pressing the setup button on the front of the printer, represented by a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press that. Then we move ourselves along one using the right hand arrow to maintenance, press OK. From in here, we go down past these initial options, and after you've gone down 4 times, you'll be on language. So we press OK. And here you have a simple list of all the different languages the machine can be set into. You're presumably watching this because you need to get it back into English, and I hope you've been able to use this guide to get yourself where you need to be. So simply use the up and down arrows to get to the language you want. English is the very top option, as you can see. So get yourself there, press OK, and you're done. You should now be able to use your machine trouble-free. Well, thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.